In order to write Python program, first of all we have to install Python in our system. Let's see how we can install Python. Now open your browser and visit this link www.python.org. Now you can select the download option, click on it, and here you will find download Python option. If you scroll down, you will find previous versions of Python, but we will download the very latest version. Click on this button and it will download the Python installer. Now double click on the installer. Make sure you select both these options. It will add Python to the path and then it will give the admin privileges. Now press the install now option, click on it and it will start the Python installation. Give the necessary privileges which are required. Now you can press the close button. Now let's verify whether Python has been installed successfully. Press window button and type cmd, hit enter. Now in command prompt type python --version and hit enter. Now if Python has been installed successfully, then it will display the Python version. See, we have successfully installed Python in our system.